Good morning, students. From today, we are going to start the physics in a new chapter, gravitation. Though the second chapter is another chapter, but I will start with the gravitation because it is very important chapter. Now, see, what do you mean by gravitation? We are standing on the earth. We are standing on the earth surface. Any objects on the earth is stable. Why it is stable? It is due to the force of gravitation. Means earth attracts the every body towards itself or towards its center. That force of the earth is called as a gravity or acceleration due to gravity, and that is mean by the gravitation. Every objects on the surface of the earth, there is a contact between that object and the center of the earth. Earth attracts every object. We say that we are stable on the surface of the earth due to the force of attraction of the earth. Newton's found that the force of gravitation, acceleration of gravitation, why when an apple falls on the earth, he says that why the apple does not go in the space, because in the space there was not earth, there was no force of attraction, and hence due to the force of attraction that apple come on the earth surface. That is, he found that earth has some type of some one kind of force, and that force is known as a gravitational force, and study of these forces is known as a gravitation. That force of attraction on the earth surface is known as a gravity. Now we will study in detail about the gravitation. Every object, according to Newton's law of gravitation, any two objects on the earth surface have force of attraction. Any two objects. Though I am sitting here and you are in your home, there is a force of attraction between me and you. Every object on the earth surface has force of attraction. See, what is the law of gravitation? And that is the Newton's universal law of gravitation. What is this law? According to this law, force of attraction between two objects or body is directly proportional to their product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. See, what is the law? According to universal law of gravitation, every body see, according to universal law of gravitation, every body on the earth surface or the force of attraction between the any two bodies on the earth surface is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. How to describe this force? See, consider these two objects. First object and this is second object. This object has mass m1. This object has mass m2. The distance between their centers is equal to r. Take small r or capital R, it doesn't matter. The force of attraction between these two objects of masses m1 and m2 is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. See how. Let capital F be the force of attraction. What is F? Force of attraction. M1, mass of the first object, m2 mass of the second object. Now by Newton's law of gravitation, Newton's law, the force of attraction F is directly proportional to product of their masses, that is m1 dot m2, and this force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, that is F is inversely proportional to r square. Okay, this is given as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now equating these two equations, we get together we can write these two equations as a F is directly proportional to product m1 dot m2 upon r square. This is directly proportional. If we have to change this sign, then we take one constant, that is F is equal to G m1 dot m2 upon r square. What is this G? G is the constant and it is known as a universal gravitational constant. What is G? G is equal to constant. We take any constant. Instead of K, I have taken G, and this G is known as a universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. G is known as a universal gravitational constant. Okay, now what is G? Mathematical form of this Newton's law of gravitation. This is the mathematical form of Newton's universal law of gravitation. This is the formula of a force of attraction between the two bodies. By using this formula, we can find the force of attraction between the two bodies. From this, we can find the value of G. What is G? Universal gravitational constant, that is F into r square is equal to G into m1 dot m2. That is F into r square upon m1 dot m2 is equal to G. From this we get G is equal to F r square upon m1 dot m2. This is the formula for gravitational constant G. It is not acceleration due to gravity. It is only a gravitational constant. And after finding a new physical quantity, it is our duty to find its unit and dimensions. See, we will find the unit of G. F is the force. How to find the unit of any physical quantity? To find unit of G. See, the unit of G, to find the unit of force is Newton. See how I am finding. Unit of force is Newton. R means distance. R means distance between the two objects. And SI unit of distance is meter. R square is there, therefore it is meter square. Okay. Then what do you mean by M1? M1 is mass. M2 is mass. That is mass is measured in kg. Again another mass M2, it is measured in the kg. That is G is equal to, what is the unit? Newton meter square. It is in the denominator, therefore it is per kg square. Therefore SI unit of G, SI unit of G is Newton meter square per kg square. If we know this method, how to find the unit of any physical quantity, then we can find the unit of any other physical quantity if we know the formula. This is SI unit, and we have to find the CGS unit. See how to find CGS unit. CGS unit of G is equal to CGS unit of force. Newton is the unit of force. CGS unit of force is dyne. CGS unit of distance is centimeter. Dyne centimeter. CGS unit of mass is gram. That is dyne centimeter. Dyne centimeter square per gram square. This is the CGS unit of G, that is universal gravitational constant. Okay, and the value of G is, we have find the constant value of G. We will find the next time the value of G. Only remember the value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the value of G in a SI unit. Okay. Now we will find how to find. We will count the value of G by using the formula. We have formula G is equal to F R square M1 into M2. In this way we can find the value of G for Earth, and it is constant value. It never changes. Okay. Today we will stop here.